Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are very good, fine, with good health at home with your families, alhamdulillah. Dear students, today your first geo class on Zoom online classes. You have first geo class, right? So the topic which we are going to start today, that is North America from the book 7, geo book 7. I know most of the students who have done the North America, but some classes we haven't done that. That's why I'm going to start from North America. Okay, bete? So first of all, I need your geo book, page and pen with you. You can use the sticky notes which you have already. So you should paste on the page and you will write the general information regarding to the topic. So let's come to your book, page number 32. Okay, page number 32, which we have the introduction of North America. Okay, this is your book, page number 32. It is the map of North America, right? It's a map of North America. We are going to start. Where is North America located? North America is located at the northwest of the earth. Northwest of the earth. North America is connected with three oceans: Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. In the north we have Arctic, in the west we have Pacific, and in the east we have Atlantic Ocean, right? As we know, North America has total countries 23. But first of all, we are going to discuss about the general things of North America. Like North America located northwest of the earth. It is connected three oceans: Arctic, Pacific and Atlantic. Third largest continent in the world. North America is the third largest continent in the world by land. Okay, by area. By area, it is a third largest continent. Canada is the first largest country in North America. And do you remember, we have learned in the World in Fact page, Canada is the second largest country by land in the world. Remember? Yes, by land in the world, when we have learned in the World in Fact page, right? And then coming towards the next, USA we also have in North America. United States of America stand for USA, is the second largest country in North America, and USA is also the third largest country by land or by people in the world. Remember, by land and by people. USA is also the third largest country by land and by people in the world, right? Mexico City also have in North America. The landmark of North America are Statue of Liberty and Golden Gate Bridge. So very, very interesting continent. There is a lot of landmarks, lot of information we will discuss side by side. Today, which we are going to do the introduction page of North America, but before that, let's see on the world map the position and the location of the North America. This is the world map. In the world map, we have here, this is North America. Clear? It is the whole map of the earth, world map. Here you have North America. The whole area, it is known as North America. This is the largest island of the world, which is known as Greenland. Greenland is the largest island of the world, and it is also the part of North America, right? These are the name of the major countries like Canada, USA and Mexico. North America has number of countries 23. Okay, 23 number of countries hai, and North America has a lot of islands in the world. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा islands हैं. In the introduction page, we will be learn two countries, that is West Indies and Greenland. Greenland की detail हम पढ़ेंगे. We have a video of Greenland. We have a picture of Greenland. I will show you side by side. Okay, class? It's clear the location of North America? Okay, now coming to the globe. Guys, this is a globe. As you know that Earth is rotation and revolution both at a time. It is a globe. Now we will be see the location of the North America in the globe. This is Asia. Here we have Europe. What is this? Atlantic Ocean. Yes, and here you have North America. Look at here. This is Greenland. Then coming to North America. North America is a whole part from here till here. Look, this is the Mexico City, यहाँ तक है आपके पास नॉर्थ अमेरिका, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू मूव लाइक दिस, एंड हियर इट इज़ कनेक्टेड विद द Asia continent by the state of Alaska, which is the United State of Alaska is a province of USA. Clear? So here you have the North America location in the globe. Clear now? Okay, now coming towards your book page, right? On your book page number 32 we have, the book page number 32 we have North America. North America, total number of countries are 23. Canada is the largest country. Christianity is the religion. And Statue of Liberty and Golden Gate Bridge are the major landmark of North America, continent landmark I am talking, okay? Major languages in North America, English, French, Spanish. And major cities are New York, Los Angeles, Washington DC, Chicago, San Francisco, Toronto and Mexico. Clear? Now we are discussing the two countries which are the part of North America. The one is West Indies. West Indies name तो सुना है ना आपने West Indies का, right? West Indies is, look at the book please. West Indies, here they are saying it is not a country but few island countries in North America like Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Bahamas, Costa Rica, Saint Lucia etc. make West Indies. ये एक कंट्री का नाम नहीं है बल्कि फ्यू आइलैंड्स मिलकर ये कंट्री बनाते हैं. वेयर इज वेस्ट इंडीज लोकेटेड? लोकेशन ऑफ वेस्ट इंडीज आर located West Indies is located in the west side of Mexico City. It is also located in the surrounding by Atlantic Ocean. West of Mexico, West Indies is located west of Mexico. And you know what? West Indies is also known as the country of Central America. Central American countries it's known as, okay? Central America. West Indies is also at the west of Mexico, surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean means all these islands are surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. Where it is location wise, let's see on the map of the North America. Here you have, look, this is Bahamas, Costa Rica, Haiti, Jamaica. These all are the islands of the West Indies. What? All islands of West Indies. Now coming towards the Greenland. Greenland is also the country of North America, which is the part of east coast of North America. Look, don't be confused by its name. It's not a Greenland at all, and about 85% of its land area is covered by huge ice. It was named Greenland in 10th century in the hope that the people would attract the people and settle there. It is also largest island in the world, as we learned in the World in Fact page. Nuuk is the capital. Greenland became a Danish colony in 1721. Today it has internal self-government but under the control of Denmark. Its economy depends entirely on fishing and half of the government revenue come from the Danish government grant. The language are spoken there Danish, Greenlandic and Inuit. The currency is Danish krone and Christianity is the major religion of Greenland. Clear? This is about the Greenland. You will be learn these facts because there is also we have a 4 facts of the country. Now coming towards the pictures of Greenland. Okay guys, look at here. This is the whole map of North America. Here we have a Greenland. Look, Greenland is a part of North America, right? Now the other is, this is the map of Greenland. There is Iceland. Iceland is a part of Europe. Here you have Canada, right? This is the area of West Indies. As I told you, West Indies is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean. These are the islands of West Indies, which make few islands which make West Indies. Caribbean Sea is the sea which is in the north of South America and at the south of North America. Okay. Now coming to the next, that is the Statue of Liberty, which is the landmark of North America. Statue of Liberty. Clear? This is the Statue of Liberty, which is the landmark of North America. And This is the view of Greenland city. During this season, it's full of ice cover. And this is the picture of the second landmark of North America, that is Golden Gate Bridge, right? Golden Gate Bridge is the second landmark of North America. Okay, now I'm going to show you the video of Greenland. Okay, girls? This is the video of Greenland which I'm going to play. Okay, this is the blue whale. What is blue whale? What is the size? It's a kind of fish. I will show you in the next lecture when we have a lecture of blue whale, inshallah. This is the landsliding you can say, which is ice is coming down to the water. It's broken. Do you remember we have learned over there that Greenland is 85% of ice covered, right? Greenland. It is also known as Iceland as well. Iceland means full of ice. The south side, they are showing you, look at the pieces of ice which is floating on the water. As we know that ice is floating on the water, either it is the size of the mountain or the glacier, but it's float over the surface of the water, right? It's full of natural beauty. The mostly combination colored here, you have blue, white combination. The blue with the sky or the water color, and the white which is the ice and give the reflection on the water. It's really very, very nice location. Look at the views of the Greenland sides. It is full of the beauty, natural beauty. Full of the natural beauty which we have. This is the evening time or the time of the, you can say, the changes of the winter season, whatever. In the east, what we have, in the east side, there is also the cold climate here. Nature and the beauties are very, very picturesque and phenomenal, when breathtaking sceneries over there. This is the pressure of the water when the ice is coming and mixed with the water by the sliding. The pressure of the water is very, very high. View of the fishes we have, it is a blue whale which mostly found in the Atlantic Ocean and the Arctic. Near to the Greenland, it is in the Atlantic Ocean. Greenland तक ये यहाँ पे इस ओशन में मौजूद है. This is the blue whale. It is the sliding of the ice when it's come down and mix into the water, ice breaking. It is full of the ice cover. It is full of ice, which we have learned that is 85% of ice. So I hope you guys have liked the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Now your task is you will do the location of West Indies and Greenland on the world map with the location of the North America. Okay, bete, you have to do the location of the Greenland and West Indies on the world map. Inshallah, we will meet in the next class. Till then, good, take care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.